Hey boys and girls, today we're going to try to use things you can find right in your kitchen to create your own musical instruments that you can actually play music on. First, let's head to the kitchen. Follow me. I'm sure at one time or another you've taken an empty glass and hit something against it and noticed that it makes sound. But what happens if that glass wasn't empty? If we add liquid to this glass, how will the sound change? Let's see. The sound's very different, isn't it? It got lower. Why would a glass that's full of liquid be lower sounding than a glass that's empty? Remember when we said that all sounds are vibrations traveling through the air to our eardrums? Well, when you hit the empty glass, the only thing that's vibrating is the glass itself, so there's less to vibrate and the sounds can vibrate faster. But when you put water into the glass and the water have to vibrate, so the vibrations are that much slower. They have more things to travel through. So the more full the glass is, the lower the sound is because the vibrations are slower, and the faster the vibrations are in the empty glass, the higher the sound is. Science rules. I've raided my cupboards, I've tested out glasses of all different sizes and shapes, both full and empty, and I've put together 5 glasses here that I think sound pretty good together. I had to do a lot of trial and error, and I ended up filling this one almost all the way, this one a little bit less, but most of the way. This glass is slightly smaller than these two, nearly the same though, and it's empty. And then I have 2 smaller glasses. The first one is about 3/4 full, and this one is empty. And together they sound like this. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Let's listen to that again. What solfege would that be? Let's listen. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now that we figured out what notes we have in the solfege scale, we can start to play some tunes on our water glasses. What if we wanted to add one more note into our solfege scale after so? What would it be? Do, re, mi, fa, so. That's right, I heard you. It would be la. Can you sing it? Do, re, mi, fa, so. Your singing probably sounded better than my cup. This one's pretty close. It's not exact, but we're going to use this as our la. Now that we have another note, we can play even more songs on our water cups. Now I'm going to try to make a special scale by taking out one of these cups. In music class, we've sometimes set up our xylophones in a 5-note scale where there's a group of 3 notes and then a group of 2 notes. If you remember, this is called the pentatonic scale. And the pentatonic scale does not have fa. Bye-bye, fa. The pentatonic scale only uses do, re, mi, sol, la. With a pentatonic scale, anything you play sounds good. Let's test it out. You could even play notes together. If you can get your scale set up with do, re, mi, sol, la, you can play a pentatonic scale and improvise your own melodies using these 5 notes. Give it a try and send me your videos of what you come up with.